That light is horrible. Let's change it. Okay, so as you can see here, we're greeted with this dull light whenever you use the sun visor. So what we're going to do, we're going to whip this one out and put a nice LED in. To do this, you've got to just gently make sure you've closed it so the bulb isn't hot when you're taking it out, but gently use your trim tool, which is this tool here. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this from, but all you're going to do, you're just going to stick this in here on the side and prise it down and away, so that way you can get access to the bulb that is in there. Alright, so my Gorilla Pod is indoors, can't bother to get it, but there you go. That is how quick it is. And there's obviously two, there's one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. As you can see, I've popped it out and there is the bulb itself in the little housing here. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to pull this bulb out, make sure it's not hot to the touch, remove it, and I'm going to install the LED bulb and check that it works by simply opening the visor. If it doesn't work, I'm going to close the visor and turn it around and put it back in. Okay, so I've put it in, and like I said, it's very important, make sure you test it. So I'm going to flip this open and bang, much cleaner light. All I'm going to do now, close it, gently push it back in so that way the bulb doesn't fall out. Same way you took it out, that side in first, this side in last. Okay, and it has all been completed. So as you can see there, we've got a nice white light. It does have a little blue tinge to it, but I don't mind. It just looks way better than that yellow old school 1863 light that no one wants. So yeah guys, that is it. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on if you want me to do any new videos or any ideas for the car. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. God bless.